So you want to make sure that you have sushi grade white rice, and this is a common brand here in the US, Nishiki, salt, sugar, rice vinegar, and mirin. And I've already made my rice here, so pinch of sugar. So we will do a tuna mayo version. So I have this chunk light tuna can with everything but a big whole sesame from Trader Joe's. Just gonna season it with garlic and onion, of course your QP mayo, and some salt to taste. So we'll mix all of this and get ready for our tuna mayo filling for our sushi roll. Now we're ready to assemble everything, so use a cling wrap first to cover our bamboo sheet. Now you're ready to spread your rice in your nori sheets. And now we're putting the tuna. And side. Generous amount of tuna. Press it gently. This is how you make a sushi. And now we will cut them into pieces. We're probably ready to eat our sushi roll. Sushi roll